So we just wanted to give tools and stuff to the local volunteer fire department because they are doing a lot of work cleaning up all the trees and debris, and so we figured the best thing to do was be to provide those tools for them.
We're going to load all of this and all this stuff. We're going to take all up and then that way when it's
Well, I think it's just important to take note of this kind of thing and just know that people, when provided with the freedoms and resources to live independently, can come together collectively and provide for themselves. I think that's important.
They don't think we can leave that. And they have it. So, but I know for tomorrow when they run to half of it, they're going to need it.
So I think from here, it's just exactly what we see here. It's just everyone coming together and just being unified and just supporting one another. And I think aside from the material things, you know, so things kind of come and go, but at the end of the day, it's about relationships and it's about picking each other up. Like a lot of times we always kind of joke, you know, like the only time we're looking down on somebody is when we're helping them back up. And I think when people come together like this is exactly what we're doing, is we're coming together as a unified front and we're helping up our, you know, our brothers and sisters.
And like everybody says, if one mom cries, we all cry. You know, it's the kids. The kids are the ones that we're more concerned about. You know, I think it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time to see this the way it was before. But hopefully, as we all got together for this, I hope we can all get it back together sometime soon. Yeah.
I don't think you're really factored. There's not around the room, you just load them up.
Really, I think we need to focus on the people who lost their houses. I've had a couple friends who don't have a house anymore, or they've lost their husband. I have a friend who's missing. So, I mean, it's a little difficult, especially in a town where there's not too many people.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Rebuilding is kind of the easy part, in all honesty. It's really getting past. We're still in search and rescue going on right now. The hill country is a loving place. It's still country love that's going on. But it'll take a while, and we'll have to process through that. But our first thing right now is really to take care of our friends and neighbors that have lost everything, and we're still searching for some of our neighbors and friends too.